This song features two patterns. In the verse, we're going to start out with a B minor, B, D, F sharp. Take it to a D chord with an A in the root, A, D, F sharp. Take it to a D chord with a G in the root, just take the thumb down one step. A D chord with an E in the root, so now we're going to spell this E, F sharp, A, D. Then a D chord with an F sharp in the root, take off the E. Back to a D chord with a G in the root. And then an A chord, suspended. Or whatever you want to do with it. A lot of versions of A sound nice there. In one hand, it could look and sound like this. One measure per chord. Start with B minor, D with an A root, D with a G root, D with an E root, D with an F sharp root, D with that G root, two measures of A. In two hands, that verse pattern could look like this. 2, 3, 4. The chorus pattern features the same chords in a different arrangement. We start on a D major, D, F sharp, A, then to a B minor, 7, B, D, F sharp, the seventh being the A if you can add it, to then a D with that A in the bottom, A, D, F sharp's how I'm going to spell it, back to a B minor, seventh if you can add it, to a D major, to a B minor, to two measures of A, sustained, resolved, sustained, A, D, E, resolved, A, C sharp, E. Let's see how that goes. One measure per chord, starting on D major. This is the chorus. In one hand, we could have a D, B minor, D with an A root, B minor, D, B minor, A sustained. In two hands, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4.